In a world filled with ideas, where innovation is everywhere, only one thing defines success: execution. Welcome to Entrepreneur India March 2026 issue, a powerful guide designed to transform ideas into industrial reality. Published by Neer Project Consultancy Services, this edition is not just about inspiration, it's about action. It delivers structured, practical, and bankable pathways for entrepreneurs, MSMEs, and investors ready to build scalable and future-ready enterprises. Because in today's competitive world, success is no longer based on assumptions. It is driven by data. From techno-economic feasibility, to detailed project reports, to financial clarity, this issue empowers you to make informed decisions backed by real numbers. Inside this edition, you'll explore high-growth sectors shaping India's industrial future: food processing, chemicals, sustainability, healthcare, and agro-tech. Each sector represents not just opportunity, but transformation. Take the example of packaged drinking water, a rapidly growing industry driven by urbanization, health awareness, and increasing demand for safe drinking water. With consistent demand and scalable operations, it stands out as a strong entry point for startups. Or consider surgical products manufacturing. With global demand rising due to healthcare expansion and aging populations, this sector offers high growth potential and strong returns for investors. In the agro-based sector, opportunities like Moringa Powder Processing are gaining traction, driven by rising global demand for health and wellness products. And then comes ethanol production, a sector powered by government policies, sustainability goals, and India's push toward renewable energy. With strong policy backing and expanding demand, it represents a future-ready investment. The chemical industry also presents powerful opportunities, from citric acid manufacturing to acetic anhydride production. These industries benefit from global demand, diverse applications, and strong export potential. Sustainability-driven businesses like waste lubricating oil recycling are also emerging as high-impact ventures, combining profitability with environmental responsibility. Even consumer-focused industries like Latex Mattress Manufacturing are evolving, offering eco-friendly, high-margin products with growing market demand. Innovative concepts like Furfuryl Alcohol production from Agro Waste highlight the shift toward green chemistry, where waste becomes wealth. In agriculture, dairy farming continues to be a strong backbone of the economy, now enhanced with value-added products like butter, ghee, paneer, and curd. And in modern farming, NPK water-soluble fertilizers are revolutionizing agriculture, offering precision nutrition, higher yields, and global export potential. What makes this issue truly powerful is its focus on financial clarity. Each project is supported by insights on return on investment, break-even analysis, capital planning, giving entrepreneurs a clear roadmap from concept to execution. It also provides detailed guidance on machinery requirements, regulatory frameworks, and industry trends, ensuring your business is not just profitable, but sustainable and compliant. Why does this matter now? Because India's industrial ecosystem is evolving rapidly. With strong government support, growing export potential, and a global shift towards sustainability, the opportunities today are bigger than ever before. This is your moment to act. Whether you are launching your first startup, scaling your business, or exploring new investment opportunities, Entrepreneur India March 2026 issue is more than a magazine. It is a strategic toolkit, a business blueprint, a roadmap to success. Because ideas are just the beginning, execution builds empires.